Good afternoon, children. So yesterday we have completed the chapter Making of a Global World. We have some other work in that is to be completed as a part of this lesson. It could be teaching process. Teaching learning process. So I thought I could give you some extra work at home, which you will do, and I will supplement it on Monday with some other views. I mean, the same thing what work I am giving you, I will give an explanation of it, and you will go through it and you will do it in your notebook. So I would like to all of you to write a page and a half, say running to 2 pages, on the topic impact of COVID-19 on global economy. Impact of COVID-19 on global economy. That is one. So you will have to either go to different websites or you can go through all these for the past 10 days newspapers. If you see in the open page editorial column, you will find a number of articles. Go through it thoroughly and then you will write, underline whatever points you have to write, and write it in your classwork or homework. If you have bought, classwork note, if you have bought one. If you haven't, please prepare it. If you are marking it in the newspaper, if you are underlining it in the newspaper, underline those things and take it and keep, and you will write it once you buy the classwork notebook. That is one. The second one is, I would like all of you to listen to the TED Talk of the Bhutanese Prime Minister Tshering Togbe, Tshering Togdbay, Togdbay. Beautiful talk, and where today among all the 200 nations, Bhutan is the only country having 7 COVID positive, which means, I told you the other day, harmony with nature. I think I made it clear. I said it was an article from Hindu, harmony with nature. So listen to his speech. It was given on in the year 2016. Once you type YouTube, you will get beautiful speech, and it is not too. It's not an anglicized English. All of you can very clearly understand a beautiful talk. So I would like each and every one of you to view it. Okay? Listening skill. Here I am testing your listening skill. You will listen to it and then write 1 page of the key points which he tells in his talk. Key points. So listen to it. You can pause it again. You can go. It was delivered on March 2016. The only country who is just not carbon neutral but carbon negative. 75% of their natural resource forest is remain virgin. It is virgin and pristine, sacred. So for them, economy is not what you call as constructing roads, constructing IT parks. For them, it is happiness and a life without disease. So just beautifully he has delivered his talk. So I would like all of you to listen to it. When I say I would like, it means you have to. And the main essence of his talk in his own words, not in your own words, in his own words, key words what he has used, you will write it in your king size note, about around say 1.5 to 2 pages. That is in your homework note. And Monday I will discuss the same thing, and we will wind up the chapter. So today I think this is enough for today. Almost weekend, you also must be tired listening to so many classes, viewing your Google classes, online classes. So Saturday, Sunday, take a break. But today Friday, whether you take a break, whether you are splitting your work and doing, By Monday when I ask you to message me, madam, we have done the assignment. I should get a reply from you in the group that you have finished the work what I have told. That is one. Second one, this is for all 10A and of course 10B. Madam Sharon would have put it in your group. You have an online test, PISA test on 27th. A material is sent, put in the group, based on which you will prepare. You can go through it and you can prepare that particular material. It's like a revision or what you call as preparing yourself for that exam. Monday you will be having the online test. And if I get any other information, either I will put it in the voice record or audio record, or I will WhatsApp the same. So till we see on Monday, that is 27th, let me see if your time is in the afternoon also. Maybe you will not have a class on Monday, else we will have it on 28th. So see you till then. Goodbye.